everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you this taco cuddly toy that was sent to me from Aurora World. This is from their Palm Pals collection and there are several to collect. This soft toy is designed like a cute little taco. It has an adorable embroidered face, fluffy feet and fun details like lettuce and other taco toppings. The taco is super soft and fluffy to touch with a lightly stuffed beanie body. The height is about 5 inches and it fits perfectly in the palm of your hand. Overall, this cuddly toy is super cute and well made. The small size and cute design make it a fun collectible and great gift. So that's all for today's video. Let me know in the comments what you thought of today's unboxing and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching guys, bye!